hit the button.
Hi guys, so we're going to talk really quick about assignment number 4, which is to make a music poster. And you're going to make a music poster that uses a favorite genre of music. And what genre means is type of music, so a classification of music: reggae, country, banda, rock and roll. You get the idea, right? Jazz, a different type of music. And so that is going to be your main theme. And you're going to make a music poster using a 1960s Fillmore West, like a San Francisco kind of hippie black light poster, with the really cool lettering that they made back then, which was at that time the real different kind of fonts that were made popular by the artists in San Francisco at that time. The hippie artists, right? So let's take a look down here. This is a design I did for a concert a few years ago by Melanie, and I did it in the style of the lettering of the 1960s. And what you're going to do is you're going to take a piece of paper and you're going to use one main image. So one main image, such as this case, I have a female, right? And then this has a lot more lettering on it, but I want you to use one main word or phrase. So I don't want you to have a whole lot of lettering on yours. You can have more, but than just one word. But the main word or phrase is going to be your music genre. So if it's jazz, if it's smooth jazz, if it's rock and roll, it doesn't matter. That's what your word's going to be. So in other words, if I was going to do rock and roll, let's say that I wanted to have a picture of a sun. I'm just going to do this really quick, just as a kind of a fun thing. And maybe I'll have like some really cool beams coming out of him. That's just my main image. You get I'm not spending a lot of time on this because it's a quick demo, right? And then let's say that I wanted to write rock and roll. So I might do something like this. And so you can see I'm just kind of having some fun with it. I'm trying to make the design so that it's similar with the letters. I want you to spend more time on it than I'm doing. This is, like I said, just a quick demo, and you can get an idea of what I want you to do from this, okay? Okay, so now we have a main image and a main word or phrase. If I wanted to add a little bit more wording, I could, but this is the basic idea. You want a poster that's fairly simple and kind of looks like this. Let me give you a couple more examples really quick. I'm going to hand the phone over this way, and we're going to take a quick look at my computer, and I'll show you a few examples of some really cool posters from back in the day. So here we go. We'll just kind of scroll through. You can look some of these up. Just look up 1960s Fillmore posters. Right? There's so many choices that you could do. And if you need help with the font, I'm fine with you looking up stuff on the internet and copying something from the computer to make a really cool font. There's so many cool symbols and main images that you could use. So this is what I want you to finish with. You're going to use complementary colors. That's 2 colors, so 2 main colors, and plus black, and they're going to be complementary colors. So complementary colors basically mean that they're opposites on the color wheel. So if you're not clear on that, look it up, please. And I will see you guys soon. We'll talk soon. We'll be discussing our our assignments. Thanks.